Yeah, so I'm testing this particular mic. I hope this reduces the ambient noise. All right, so let me show you my office setup. So this is my workstation. This is an Apple Studio display. Didi bought it last year, and this directly connects with my MacBook Air. So I add this one small device where we can have multiple slots for all sorts of like USBs and stuff, right? And this is a trackpad, so I can control. If you can see, it's a very big screen, so I can have multiple screens working here simultaneously. So right now I'm creating an SOP for offer creation. This is for our Alpha Club clients, and this is a very in-depth guide for all our consulting clients. And what this does, it increases the efficiency of the consultation calls that I'm giving to these people. So this way, even if I go on a call for 30 minutes, it's worth its weight in gold, right? So this is how we optimize our products, our consulting, our service, so that it delivers the same exact results with the minimum effort possible on us, right? So this way we also increase our profit margins and our efficiency of the workflow. So this is just one document. I have like some 12 such documents on every single aspect of what my customers need. So yeah, that's that. Anyways, so I wanted to show you my office setup. You just saw how it looks. So this is a Shure mic, which is a very nice podcast mic. It reduces a lot of the ambience noise. You must have seen in my YouTube channel using this. And this is the Rode arm. It's not some ordinary arm. I can like control it, and it doesn't. It always listens to me. So it's very smooth. This is all we use to work all day, and sometimes when we have to record, we have like two tripods here, and of course there are like two cameras, DSLR cameras, to shoot ourselves while recording our courses or our YouTube videos. Now I'll be setting my camera up for the YouTube video that I'll be creating, so that you can check how things are, right? So see you. Alright, so here's my camera setup. So this is another vlogging camera, which is Sony ZV-E1. I like it because it's very flexible to use, and I can just simply rotate it if I want to see myself while sitting from there. I'll be sitting right there so that you can capture it well. Right now the charger is full, but we still have this long cable with us, because it drains very fast. So yeah, let's get started with the recording. About 3-4 minutes to go ahead and generate leads for you, and it gives you a data sheet of all the leads that
So, hi everyone. So, I'm a mechanical engineer turned a digital marketer and now into sales. And yeah, that's all about me. And yeah, I am my guru.
Okay. So yeah, so this is like part of the blog. Abhi hamara, like, we finished creating the content, and Harsh came in, so he needed some advice. I'm like, office aja bhai tu. He's also an Alpha Club member, so I'm helping him out. He just got a job in Practo, and that too in sales, which was one of his weakest points. So I'll be training him in sales, and we'll be killing it, by the way, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Cool. तो मेरा वर्कफ्लो ऐसा है, वो भी ले यार, इधर ही दिखा देते हैं इसको भी। ठीक है, अभी जैसे मेरे को पता है कि ये मेरा कैलेंडर है, राइट? अब इसमें 10 से 11 तो सेल्स टीम का मीटिंग है, तो सेट हो गया, टेंशन नहीं है अभी कुछ। अब 11 से 3 यहाँ पे मैं कुछ रखता नहीं, बड़ी कंटेंट क्रिएशन का है, ठीक है? अब कंटेंट क्रिएशन का पार्ट है, तो ज़्यादा कुछ काम नहीं। 11 से 12, फिर 12 से 1 तो जिम, फिर 1 से 2, साढ़े 2 तक लंच वंच हो जाएगा, तब यहाँ आ जाएंगे, फिर कोटेश्वर के साथ मीटिंग, फिर यहाँ ये वाला कुछ ऐसा खाली रखा है ताकि थोड़ा ब्रेक मिले ऐसे ही। फिर 6 बजे से फिर से अल्फा क्लब के मीटिंग स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे 8 बजे तक। फिर आहन इकबाल का है, फिर विल्फ्रेड का है, फिर रात के 10:30 बजे एक और मीटिंग है, GHL वालों के साथ। अब हर दिन का कैलेंडर सेट रहता है, अगर मैं कल का दिखाऊँ, मैं परसों का दिखाऊँ तो ये भी है। कभी कभी ज़्यादा होते हैं, कभी कभी कम होते हैं। जब कम होते हैं तो प्रोडक्ट पे ध्यान देते हैं। जैसे SOP बना रहा था कल बैठ के, ऑफर वाला ग्रुप में डाला था ना, तो वैसे ही बना लेंगे, बस खत्म। अब बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली मैनेज नहीं करता मैं, कुछ गैप दे रखता हूँ अपने कैलेंडर में केओस के लिए, क्योंकि पता है लाइफ में केओस आएगा, तो माइट एज वेल एंजॉय द केओस, राइट। अभी बैठ के जैसे वो बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली मैनेज करते हैं ना कैलेंडर को कि 1 मिनट इधर उधर नहीं करना है, भाई लाइफ कब जियोगे फिर। Yeah, so I just finished scheduling all my LinkedIn, so have a look. So LinkedIn, you can schedule your post for later. So if you click that button again, if I click here, if I go here, click on view all scheduled post. Abhi I have scheduled till March 5. So till March 5 I don't have to worry about any of my content, so sorted, no. So next Sunday, so this is like till next Sunday, the content is done. If you can see the date here. Now the kind of content that I write in LinkedIn is very sort of helpful. Like for example, if I click on this show more, you can see this. So this is a lesson about how a business grows. There are 3 things you do in business, like building things, scaling things, and managing things. And most people think that scaling is the success of business, but rather building and managing are equally important. They are the most boring things, but they are like very, very important. I wrote them. This is not sexy, yet if you want to see scale, you got to suck it up and do it. Then I give a image that resembles it. The deeper this is, the taller this is. So if you are not seeing any growth in business, then you are building the foundation so that you can build it scale. So this is one of the many scheduled posts. I sometimes give a lot of technical content. For example, I have written a quick resource on how to create a VSL, the format of a video sales letter, and a landing page on how it looks. So what it does is it gives a lot of value to my audience. Audience reply back pretty well, and that's how more and more people get attracted to it. Same with YouTube, right? Like this vlog, I'm teaching you something apart from showing you my life. I didn't want to be a regular vlogger who just they most of the vloggers, they just go ahead and screw things around and say ये कर लो, फिर ये कर रहे हैं, खाना बनाओ मेरे साथ. No, nothing like that. Here, if you watch this video, you also get some business knowledge. You also learn how my business works and what my plans are with the business. So, and you get to see me advising our Alpha Club members as well. So this is my way of creating content. And now that LinkedIn is scheduled for the next week, I don't have to worry about content. Next Sunday ko I'll worry about another week ka content, right? So yeah, today's job is done, so I'll probably shut off for the day. And so yeah, I'll probably shut off for the day and go ahead and chill. Today is Sunday. I want to sleep like a donkey for the rest of the day. So yeah, pretty much done. Thank you very much for watching, and do subscribe, like, comment, whatever you want to do with this particular video, so that YouTube loves me. And if you like the value that you're getting in this video, then I would really, really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.